Hello everyone, I am Junta. Today I will share a list of influential figures who have been caught in various crimes such as bribery and abuse of power. When they were given 2 years to do so, they needed to evaluate their actions and be honest about their crimes. 1. Fu Zhenghua, former head of the Ministry of Justice. In 2022, he was sentenced to death for accepting more than 117 million yuan in bribes, giving him 2 years of reprieve. After having had time to reflect on his crime, Fu's case was eventually dismissed by the trial. 2. Sun Lijun, former Vice Minister of Public Security. In 2022, Sun was given 2 years because he was stealing stocks, manipulating markets, and possessing illegal guns. Despite all the serious charges Sun faced, he admitted to some of his mistakes and was finally released from prison. Ying Ji, the leader of the Tibet Autonomous Region and the highest position in the region. In 2025, Wu was sentenced to death and given 2 years of reprieve for accepting bribes worth more than 343 million yuan. After the reprieve period, Wu continued to be involved in corruption and was eventually arrested and charged with multiple crimes. Wang Yong, vice chairman of the government of the Tibet Autonomous Region. In 2025, the king was given 2 years for stealing from the public and being involved in illegal activities. Before we get to the last one, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates. The last one is called 5. Luo Yulin, a senior official of the state-owned assets agency. In 2025, Luo was given a 2-year reprieve for corruption and misuse of power. As a result of his actions, Luo was eventually released from prison. Importantly, it is important to note that this is mainly the case in China. A death sentence with a 2-year reprieve can eventually be suspended, but if an individual performs well and shows a positive attitude during their sentence, they can be released early to serve the community. That's it for now. So if you want to learn about China and these politicians, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and start following my channel. Don't forget to share this video with others and spread knowledge.
Club Junta, building better Africa.